Okay, to avoid being scammed in real estate industry, there are basic things you need to look out for. Number one thing you need to look out for is the ownership of the ownership of the property. The person who is selling the property to you, does he have the correct title or legal ownership to the property? Is the name on the property the name of the person who is in the position to sell? We've seen situations whereby some people sell property that is not their own and they come back later, and people they sell to come back later and keep going to court back and forth. Why? Because they didn't do this due diligence. Just check. Simple thing. The papers on the documents, is it the same name? The name on the documents, is it the same name with the name of the person who is selling the property to you? The next look out for is you need to be sure that the property that they are being advertised to you, that is being shared to you, is the exact property that is on ground. So what do I mean? Ensure you go for proper inspection. Go see the property, go see the site, go look at it, discuss with the people on ground, ask questions around. Listen, this person is saying they will come and tell you 3 minutes drive from the main road. Is it exactly 3 minutes drive? Ask questions, ask around. It will help you know exactly whether you should go ahead and do this or not. And the next thing you need to do is make sure you get a survey plan of the property. Why do you need a survey plan? To ensure that the perimeters or whatever was told you is the same with what is being on the, or is what is being advertised, to ensure that whatever is on the survey plan, you are not encroaching on somebody else's property. What is being sold to you is exactly the same. That's why you need to get a survey plan to be sure that, okay, this thing that's being sold to me is exactly that it's supposed to be. Then after you've done that, be conscious of the pricing. Make investigations about the price of properties within that neighborhood, within that area. If the price is exceptionally very low, it should raise a red flag for you. You should begin to think, are you sure? Are you sure there's nothing wrong here? Are you sure this thing is all right? And then if you're able to do all this, at least you'll be on the safe side to start with, to ensure that you don't make certain mistakes that people make and then later they come and start complaining. That is why we have some properties that have gone through these things that have been verified, and we encourage you to look at the listings we have and be part of it. Thank you.